How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. If you're wondering why Meta AI is not showing on your WhatsApp, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix this issue quickly. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Sometimes Meta AI is missing because you're using an outdated version. Just go to Google Play Store or App Store. Go to the search tab and simply search for WhatsApp. If there's an update available, simply update it. If not, let's move on to the next step. Meta AI is not available in all countries yet. If you're in a region where it's not supported, you may not see the feature. Visit Meta's official website or check WhatsApp updates to find the availability. Meta AI might only be available in certain languages. Try switching your WhatsApp language to English. To do that, simply open WhatsApp, go to settings and simply search for app language and select English US if it's available, and simply restart WhatsApp and check again. Now, if Meta AI is still not showing up, you can try clearing the cache for Android. Simply go to settings and scroll down until you find an option that says apps. Go to WhatsApp, tap on storage and cache, and simply select clear cache. Restart WhatsApp. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure to back up your chats by simply going to WhatsApp, settings, and on chats, and simply tap on chat backup and make sure to simply back up now. Once you've done that, simply you can delete the WhatsApp and reinstall it. And that's it. One of these steps should help you get Meta AI on WhatsApp.